It's just you. It's just you. It's just you.
Hi guys! Good morning from Brunei. This is Sai and welcome back again to my channel. Hope you're having an amazing day. So we just arrived here in Brunei last night and I just wanted to share my experience guys from the Philippines going here sa Brunei. So napaka-smooth and spunty ng trip natin last night. Travel requirements nga pala guys from the Philippines going here sa Brunei is of course, yung travel tax na 1,620 pesos and then yung e-travel. And then upon entering Brunei guys is you need to fill up and complete the BruHealth form and then yung e-travel nila guys. Usually naman kapag nag-book kayo ng ticket going here sa Brunei, you will be receiving an email with the appropriate link kung saan kayo mag-fill up ng e-travel nila tsaka nung BruHealth. And guys, I booked my ticket via Cebu Pacific again. Seat sale siya for only 2,900 pesos. And then regarding the immigration process guys, from the Philippines wala namang masyadong tinanong. Tinanong lang kung kailan yung balik ko, tsaka kung kailan ko na-book yung ticket ko. And then upon arrival here sa Brunei guys, regarding sa immigration process, itatanong lang din kung kailan yung alis nyo. And then kung saan kayo magsistay, and that's it. It's they will allow you now to clear the immigration. So I just arrived here in Brunei last night around 10:30 p.m. guys. So medyo late na siya but fortunately meron akong friend na nagtatrabaho dito sa Brunei and he's the one who picked me up from the airport and then accompanied me for a while and then dinrap off niya ako dito sa hotel, which is yung Hyatt Hotel guys. I booked this via Agoda for only 3,500 guys. For 3 nights na siya. And super worth it guys. Ang lakas ng aircon, ang comfy ng bed, ang spacious, may television. However, shared yung bathroom but it's fine. Malinis tsaka malawak yung toilet. Tsaka yung bathroom. Malapit lang siya guys sa city center. And from the airport, mga 5 minute to 7 minutes drive. If you're going to Brunei and you're looking for a hotel to stay, i-consider nyo tong Hyatt Hotel guys. Super worth it. So yeah, I'm just going to do a quick room tour and I'll see you later. Bye! Hi guys! Hope you're having an amazing day. Good morning from Brunei. I'm currently here with my college bestie, si Miko. Hi! Good morning! Thank you so much for picking me up last night sa airport. So, siya yung kasama ko guys for today. Pag-roam around dito sa Brunei. Hanap muna kami guys ng place kung saan kami pwede mag-breakfast and then mag-withdraw ako guys. So, nakapag-withdraw na ako ng cash using my GCash card guys dito sa BIBD na bank. Malapit lang to dun sa Higher Hotel. Here's our breakfast, guys. We just had our breakfast. Ang sarap ng pagkain kanina dun sa Kopitiam. We're headed na dun sa
Jami Asir Hasan al-Bolkiah Mosque.
Jami Asir Hasan al-Bolkiah Mosque. Bali sabi nila maganda daw siya ng evening na view. So, puntahan lang muna namin siya ngayong morning. And then balik na lang kami dun for tomorrow para lang sa evening view, guys. Ang ganda ng mosque, oh. Ang laki pala niya, no? Grabe.
Ano din. Problem.
Hi guys! So finally, naabutan namin open yung mosque. It's okay if you're wearing shorts or sandal. Meron naman sila pinapahiram na robe for you to be able to enter inside. So, bibili lang muna ako ng SIM card dito sa Gadong Market. Pakunti na kasi guys yung stall kahapon ng mga SIM cards sa airport, saka medyo expensive siya. So, dito lang kami sa Gadong bibili ng SIM card.
Maraming sale ngayon kasi Friday sale lang tawag.
Anong tawag? Ayun, nakita ko. Oh.
Yan parang after ng fasting month.
Baka may mabili tayong mga goods. Good afternoon po. It's currently 2 p.m. and we're just having our late lunch here at WYWY restaurant. Within ano lang din siya guys, sa May Gadong Market. Here's our lunch guys. Kangkong na may oyster sauce and then itong may floss na buttered chicken, nasi goreng, and we have ABC Channel 4 dessert. What's the order? Hi guys! So we just had our lunch. The food was amazing, sobrang sarap. And then ang dami ng serving niya, super affordable din. So currently, we're headed to... Papunta na kami guys dun sa Palace Gate, dun sa Istana Nurul Iman. Within the area dun sa May Gadong Market, madami ding tindahan ng mga pasalubong. So nagbili na rin ako ng mga pampasalubong.
Naka-duty na ako dati doon. Sa may likod, sa may clinic.
So guys, tapos na kami dun sa Istana Nurul Iman, Palace Gate. Afterwards, we headed here sa ASEAN Walk. Para siyang park guys, and meron din ditong view ng river. So dito daw guys sa park na to, merong mga statue representing
Each country.
ASEAN countries na merong contribution dito sa Brunei.
Kasi mag-park na mga
Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Hi guys, good afternoon. It's currently 4 p.m. We just made it here at Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque. Ang ganda dito guys. So magte-take lang kami ng photos and videos and I'm going to show you around kung anong meron dito sa mosque na to. Magkaiba sila ng ganda.
Pero ito, yung style nito, ito yung parang dinamik ng Brunei sa Pilipinas.
Ito.
May katulad na may mosque na dinamik ng Brunei sa Pilipinas.
Ayun, ito. Yan. Kaya dyan.
Wala, saka
andito na kami ngayon sa Eco Park. Halos magkakatabi lang pala siya, guys. So, ito yung river. And then, sa likod nitong Eco Park, andun yung mosque. Tapos, iikot nilang namin. Ang labas na namin is yung The Frame. And then, we're just going to grab some drinks, tsaka snacks. Tapos, mag-sunset kami dun sa grounds, malapit dun sa The Frame. Tapos guys, dito sa Eco Park, kita mo na rin yung Kampong Ayer. So baka pupunta kami dyan sa Tuesday. Medyo gloomy pala yung weather na ngayong hapon, pero it's fine. Maliwanag pa din naman, maganda pa din mag-take ng photos. Tapos, advantage din kasi hindi masyadong mainit. Especially nasa open kayo. So, we're just going to grab our snacks and then magstay kami dun sa My The Frame for sunset. So guys, we're here na sa The Frame. And malapit na umulan. So, magte-take na muna kami ng photos and videos. Ito pala yung vibe dito, guys. Super chill lang. Hi guys! Good afternoon. It's currently 5 p.m. and before we wrap up the day, magdi-dinner lang kami dito sa Sotapabo. So, floating restaurant siya guys. Outside lang siya ng Bandar, mga 10-minute drive. And ito guys yung vibe. So, magdi-dinner lang muna kami dito guys and then we're going to call it a day. Napaka-productive ng day 1. And then I'll be heading back sa hotel kasi may pasok pa rin yung friend ko guys. See you later! Hi guys! Good afternoon! Ngayon ako nakapag-start mag-vlog kasi nag-work ako kanina morning and then yung friend ko is nag-rest muna siya from night duty. So, it's currently 3:30 p.m. We're headed to Empire Hotel guys. Medyo outside lang siya ng city, mga about 15 minutes drive from Bandar. So we just made it here at Empire Hotel and mga 15-minute drive siya from the city center. Para sa merong mga shops, ano? Mabuti pati mahangin, no? Dito to, ano? Ito yung baba nun.
Wala, sarado talaga siya. Hindi talaga siya makapag.
Hi guys, good afternoon. It's currently 5:30 p.m. and we're still here at the Empire Hotel, guys. Super worth it ng pagpunta namin dito, guys. Sobrang ganda sa loob and out of words. Everything is golden. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view sa labas. Very scenic. Super worth it ng visit namin dito sa Empire Hotel, guys. And hindi naman required na bumili ng drinks or something dun sa restaurant. But we opted to buy an iced Milo tsaka coffee for more than 200 pesos, guys. Super worth it pa din kasi meron siyang complimentary cookies na kasama tsaka free water. So, super worth it, guys. As of the moment, hinihintay lang namin mag-sunset. And then, pabalik na ulit kami ng city. Baka magpunta lang ulit kami dun sa may Jalan Roberts na area. And Gadong night market na baka mag-street food kami. So, mag-take lang kami ng konting videos and photos here while we're waiting for the sunset, guys. Must try, guys. Must visit when you're in Brunei. Don't miss this one.
Pero at least mas maganda rin ang ano dito eh. Kapag ayun ang sarado yung ilaw eh. Ay, saka social yung mga kabayan niya. Alaga.
Alaga.
Ayun.
Noticeable siya ng light.
Sabi ko sa'yo lahat ng ano dito, ng parang area, merong mosque.
So, yung napupuntahan natin, siya lang yung mismo nasa city. Ito yung sa Jarudo.
Tubig, gusto mo parang may mga lights pa eh kasi
Ito yung museum, di ba?
Pinupuksan yung mga
Ito na yung museum na.
message nila. Yan yung clock.
Yan yung clock.
In about 200 meters at the roundabout exit, take the 5th exit.
Hi guys, good evening. So we're back in the city. Magdi-dinner lang muna kami, guys. So we found this Vietnamese restaurant. Nasa may Culap area din siya, sa may city center, which is yung Le Tonkin. So here's our dinner guys. Itong beef balls na pa and then itong banh mi. So mag-share lang muna kami ng konti kasi magdi-dinner pa ulit kami mamaya doon sa Bandar. Super 110 to. Ano sila to?
Talaga namang hindi nawawala sa atin.
Hi guys! So, we just had our dinner dun sa Letonkin na restaurant. Ang sarap guys, super worth it, very Instagrammable din siya, and ang sarap ng food and budget friendly. And then, after Letonkin guys, nagpunta na rin kami dun sa Jami Asr Bolkiah Mosque. Ang ganda ng view guys kapag gabi, napaka-magical. So, currently, we're here, back dun sa Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque kasi magpipicture ulit kami dun sa the frame. Hindi namin nagawa masyado magpicture yesterday because it rained. Saka para ibang view naman kasi nighttime naman. Hi again guys! So it's currently 10:30 p.m. and we're just going to cap off the night here at a local restaurant guys. Mag-chicken satay kami. So today was very productive. Ang dami naming nagawa, ang dami namin napuntahan after work. So we're just going to call it a night. Mag-late dinner lang kami and I'll see you again tomorrow for my day 3 here in Brunei. See you guys. Good night.
It's just you. It's just
Here's our late dinner guys. Chicken satay and beef. Banana fritters. Tapos itong tofu and shrimp. And then of course fried rice. Hi guys! Good morning again from Brunei. So, it's my 4th day here in Brunei, which happens to be my last day because flight ko na mamayang 11 p.m. going back to the Philippines. So, we're just going to make the most of the day. Ang haba pa naman ng time. We have all things planned. Ang dami pa din namin pwedeng gawin at puntahan. And then, mag-check out na ako ngayon guys. It's currently 10 a.m. Supposedly check out is 12, pero mag-early check out na kami. And then, my friend si Miko, susundin na niya ako dito and ilalagay ko na lang muna yung gamit ko sa kanila. So, ayun, let's make the most of the day. Samahan niyo pa rin kami mag-tour dito sa Brunei. See ya! So we just had our breakfast. We've tried yung local na roti, ang sarap, saka yung honey lemon tea. So currently, papunta kami ng Tembogong Bridge. Umuulan pa lang siya ng konti. Pero okay lang, baka naman pagdating namin doon is mag-stop na Yuri. Malapit na kami dun sa Tembogong Bridge and mainit na ulit siya guys. Ganda na ulit ng weather. So huwag kayong mag-worry guys kapag umulan. Madali lang naman yung ulan. Yun yung bridge guys oh.
imagine mo paano na
Wow.
nila yung ganyan kahabang bridge.
So, putol pa siya. Putol pa siya. Hi guys! Ang ganda na ulit ng weather. Sunny na. So, we just passed through dun sa Tembogong Bridge, guys. Sobrang ganda. And itong Tembogong Bridge pala, siya yung longest bridge sa Southeast Asia. So, mag-stop lang kami dun sa may dulong part kasi merong IG spot daw dun. So we just made it back here sa city. Papunta na muna kami na Royal Regalia na Museum. Mabilis na pala yung travel na pabalik. And then, mainit na ulit siya, guys. So we just made it here, guys, at Royal Regalia Museum. Hi guys! So, kakatapos lang namin mag-visit dun sa Royal Regalia na Museum. Ang entrance fee, guys, is $5. So, more than 200 pesos siya. Worth it, guys. Especially if you wanted to know the history of Brunei. And then yung mga memorabilias. Tapos, merong part dun na kung ano yung mismong nangyayari whenever there's the coronation. Tapos, kapag may mga special events. Ang ganda, guys, dun sa loob. You will know more about Brunei's history, guys. So, huwag nyo siyang skip if you're going to visit Brunei. And then, magpunta na kami ngayon sa Kampong Ayer. Kakain lang muna kami. Pakitry namin ng Jollibee, guys. See you! So, guys, mag-Jollibee na muna kami na lunch. Dito kami sa Jollibee sa may Yayasan Park. Malapit lang siya nun sa Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque. So, we've ordered chicken and spaghetti, tapos with rice. And then my friend gave me chocolates. Same lang din yung price, guys. Magagaling din mag-tigoy. Lagi na sa Halos same yung lasa guys. At dito kami ngayon sa loob ng Yayasan Complex or mall. Maghahanap lang kami ng mga pwedeng pang pasalubong guys. So guys, nag-stop over lang muna kami dito sa may Jalan Roberts. Dito yung part ng wall na Brunei Darussalam na graffiti. Tapos, dito yung mga colorful houses sa may part din na ito. Ito yung Jalan Roberts na area. Sasakay na kami guys ng boat papunta na sa Kampong Ayer guys. Yung spot na pupuntahan lang namin is yung parang pottery house. So guys, bali yung boat ride is $10. Bali mag-ikot na kami dun sa Kampong Ayer. Baka hindi na kami napunta na sa Pottery House, kailangan daw ata muna mag-stop. Hi sir, good afternoon. Papasok pa daw yun eh, so ito na lang muna guys, experience. Hi guys! Kakatapos lang namin dun sa boat ride experience around dun sa Kampong Ayer na village. Yung palang Kampong Ayer is yung last water village dito sa Southeast Asia. One of the last water village dito sa Southeast Asia. Ang fare guys dun sa boat ride is $15 pero naghagal itong aking friend. Thank you so much. Ginawa na ng $10. Mga 15-minute na boat ride yun guys. Worth the experience. I-try nyo guys yung mga medyo pa sundown para hindi masyadong mainit. Pupunta na kami ngayon guys ng Gadong Market. Maghahanap lang ulit kami ng pwedeng pasalubong. And then afterwards, magsi-street food na kami. So nakabili na kami ng mga pasalubong, t-shirts, saka mga magnets and shot glass. Papasok muna ulit kami ng The Mall. Maniningin lang ulit kami na iba pang stock. And later, magdi-dinner kami dun sa Gadong street food na night market. Hi guys, good evening. It's currently 7 p.m. and we're going to cap off, or I'm going to cap off my Brunei trip dito sa Gadong Night Market. We're going to have some street food. So kasama ko pa din yung friend ko guys. And I'm going to cap off the night here at Gadong Night Market before ako mag-head sa airport.
It's just you. It's just you. It's just you.
guys! Good evening! So, I'm currently here na at Brunei Airport. Tapos na ako mag-check-in. I'm already here na at my boarding gate. By 11 p.m., magpa-fly back na rin kami papuntang Manila. So, yung 4 days guys, here in Brunei, sapat na siya. If kaya mo extend ng 5 days, go. Pero sa 4 days, as in ma-explore mo na lahat, there's much and a lot to explore in Brunei. So, if may mga vlogs or any contents na puro negative yung thoughts, don't believe those guys. Misleading yun. Napaka-safe, napaka-babait ng tao, ang sarap ng food, there are a lot of places to explore and visit. Tapos yung sa loob, hindi naman strict, syempre hindi ka naman papasaway, pero huwag yun nang i-watch yung mga videos or vlogs na negative yung contents, misleading you guys. So sa loob ng 4 days guys, na-maximize ko naman yung stay ko dito. Ang dami ko napuntahan na tourist spots and then na-try ng mga local dishes and food. Super worth it, worth to try. Tsaka yung mga must-visit places, wala naman akong na-miss. So, super worth it guys ng visit sa Brunei. If you're planning to visit Brunei, mag-spot ka na ng seat sale kasi nabook ko lang siya for 2,900. And I didn't expect guys na mag-enjoy ako sobra. Sobrang ganda ng experience ko sa Brunei. So, highly recommended guys. You must visit Brunei.